This video showcases footage from a high-resolution security camera. For the best experience, make sure you switch your playback resolution to the highest possible option. This bullet camera from Security Cameras Inc. features an 8-megapixel lens that captures UltraHD 4K video at a smooth 20 frames per second. It offers a 110-degree field of view with its 2.8mm lens and includes a built-in microphone capable of capturing audio up to 25 feet away, along with optional sound detection. The camera also comes with AI settings, which can be turned on for more accurate human and vehicle detection. You can purchase it with a microSD card for standalone onboard recording, or as a local backup when used with an NVR in a complete system. It has an IP67 weather-resistant rating for outdoor or indoor use. Supports PoE power up to 600 feet with a compatible SCI NVR, and is also plug and play with the SCI line of NVRs. Continue watching to see the camera in action.
Feet. 30 feet. 20 feet. 10 feet.
This is a fixed lens camera from Security Cameras Inc. and it's a bullet camera, so I'm going to go ahead and open the flaps here. And then inside of the box for the camera we have the quick start guide, and then we have a drill template. So this drill template will allow you to neatly install the camera by showing you where the screw holes are for the camera. And then this quick start guide has some helpful tips and tricks in here for mounting the camera to various locations, such as your soffit, eave, or wall. And then to aid in the installation process, it does come with these Allen keys, which help you loosen and tighten the screws on the camera to make angle adjustments. Again, it is a fixed lens camera, so you're going to want to make sure that you aim it where you want it to capture footage from. So also we have this weather resistant grommet, so this will be used if you don't have a way to protect or hide the connections for your camera. That's the RJ45 connection or 12 volt DC. So you will need to use this, again, if you don't have a way to protect that connection from corrosion. So corrosion will damage the camera from moisture. Last but not least, we do have the mounting hardware here. So we have some screw anchors and then some screws to go in those anchors. And these screws will line up with your drilling template. Next, we have the camera in the box here. So it does come in a bag. And then, like I mentioned, we do have our Ethernet connection here. So this will run an Ethernet cable from the camera to the back of your NVR or a PoE switch. Or if you want to use the 12 volt DC power adapter, you could run an Ethernet cable to your router and then run your camera that way. But most people opt for the RJ45 connector and take advantage of the power over Ethernet technology. Taking the camera out of its bag, we do see that it is a bullet camera. Here is the side of the camera. Here is the underneath of the camera. There's a microSD card slot and a reset button if you ever lock yourself out of your camera. And then on the back here, we do see that we have the 3 holes. These will line up with your mounting template. And then if you don't have a junction box or a way to neatly tuck your cable into a wall or eave, then it does have this punch out here on the side and you can run your cable alongside of your camera. As I mentioned, those Allen keys will be used on the screws here to allow you to adjust this. It is a 3-axis mount. And like I mentioned, you will want to pick up a junction box if you want a clean and protected installation so you can tuck your connections into the junction box. Last but not least, there is the front of the camera where we have this plastic covering. Most cameras will come with this plastic covering, so you're going to want to make sure that you remove the plastic covering so that the camera gets a good clear image and you don't have this HD overlaid on top of your camera's image.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.